know when we see them all running down halfway with the barrel. Idiots.
Is it not shooting?
No, it was before.
You wound it?
Yeah.
Other mag?
Which gun is it?
One, but I was shooting before with that mag. And I decided not to.
This one's not wound.
Yeah, I haven't wound that one.
Next mag.
Just my normal mid-cap.
Everybody choose a buddy. Hide behind that buddy.
Mid-cap's working.
Wind them, use them as a last resort.
Teamwork. Bodies can only go through so
Wind them vertical like that.
Okay.
You're mine, not the other one.
Game on!
Game on.
There's fuck all pressure in that one, that's why. Run them as last resort. Quieter in there, man. Put it in there. If you have more difficulties, hunt me out. Shit, incoming. Lot on the right. There's a lot on the right behind the room there. Hit! Good to be back in it, mate.
Yeah. 1 minute, is it?
Yeah. 1 minute.
Live! Oh, that was bullshit.
What's that?
I popped out, fired 2 shots and the round was already in the air. Grabbed the hook head. Not a good start, eh?
Hey, Dong. Fancy seeing you back here.
Your flashlight is pretty full there, buddy.
Yeah, it's label's gun. Fucking thing.
Bloody label,
Jammed
I mean
up.
bloody gun.
Jammed up, so I chucked it to one side.
What we got?
Alive.
Cool, I'll be alive.
We got 2 or 3 guys left hand side by the crow's nest. There's only 2 of us here, over. Yep. Hit! While you're here, Wilco, wind your mags. Get that one out of your bloody pocket.
End of the finger. Popping out like this.
Alive. On your left, on your left. I come. Hard left. Right there. I'm going hard left. You down, mate? Hit!
Sweet. Okay, sweet. I'm alive anyway, so are you? Live? Live! You go then. Got anyone in the back of that truck? Someone using that door as cover, the swing of the boards.
Guy around the back of the barrels. Didn't feel the first shot on his ass. And so I said, hey, you hit. And he goes, no. Boom, boom. Took him out, and then of course fucking Durka had me off the thing. Stood out there too long. It's working in our favour at the moment. I wonder how they're going with the barrel. I might head up in the chemical factory.
Live!
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 Watch your right! You're right.
Alive.
How long is it again?
1 minute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And they moved it.
Came way down here, man. I've moved it just about all the way back, but it's still on our side.
Live.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Alive! They're in the doorway of the dark room. Can we get someone to make a move to the barrel? Covering fire. Kidney's on the other side of the turn. Round this side. There's someone just there. Sheepdog, you still there? Yep. Baker just went behind their building, left hand side. Lived a bit longer that time. How's that high cap going?
She's not shooting
Just the high cap?
all the time. Haven't tried that yet.
That's the high cap, eh? You're talking about the high cap?
Well, she's just not shooting. Sometimes she's alright, but she's not.
It'll be the high cap if there is a problem.
Right.
Try on the sling again. Your gun down, mate. Let's take them on when we get back. Let's station it. Alive. Two players approaching on the right. Sheepdog, you by yourself? Some assist over there for Sheepdog. Going high.